Hello.
Hi.
That's Alyssa. My name is Dr. David Allen. It's David Allen Wellness. I do things differently because I've been in practice for many years. I have a walker that's right in front of the table, and I'm going to be giving Alyssa an adjustment with my feet. Well, this is not something that you ever want to do on your own. This is for educational purposes, and this should only be done by a licensed chiropractor. Take a little breath in, and exhale all the way out. And as she exhales all the way out, I'm going to get in position. And listen up, everybody. All right. One more time. Exhale. Breath in. Exhale. Okay. How was that last adjustment that I do with my feet? How'd you
Very
like it?
amazing. Like, I feel very loose and everything. It was very good. I've never known anybody to do that.
Yeah, that's pretty unique. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple of side postures. And so you're going to take your leg. First one I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little stretching. I'm going to take my hands like this, and then I'm going to place it close to the center, right here. And now I'm not going to push it, so all I'm going to do is lean over. And as I lean over, so you get the stretch.
Yeah.
And I'm repositioning my hands closer to the knee. So as I lean over, I induce the stretch. So we get this nice stretch going here. Now to maximize the stretch, I'm going to take my hand and place it on the ASIS. That's the top bone of the hip. ASIS stands for anterior superior iliac spine. Once I got hands in place, I just lean over. See that? So you get more of a stretch.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, now, so that finishes that stretch. Now I'm going to take the knee up like this. We're going to bring it up, and we're going to bring the foot back here this way. We're going to get a stretch this way.
Oh, yeah.
And the same thing is also, I'm going to just be leaning in as I press on the leg, and you see that will induce the stretch. To maximize the stretch, I'm going to take my hand also on the ASIS on here, and on the knee, I'm going to lean over, and I'll get more of a stretch. So that's stretch number 2. The next stretch is going to be for the hamstring. And so simply, I'm going to take the leg like this. I'm going to put my arm under here, and we can start bringing it up. And see, you're very flexible in this position. Now I can also straighten out the knee, and that'll give us more of a stretch. So I saw that expression. We have to adjust this so we can see you too. We got to see you get the full effect.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I was doing is I'm going ahead to straighten out the leg and then bringing it up. You can feel that. Yeah, so you want to.
That feels very good.
Yeah, that's a really good thing to do. So you can do more of that too.
Yeah.
And you'll stay healthier. All right?
Yeah.
That's one leg, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to take this knee over here like this. I'm going to take this pillow away. I'm going to have this hand over here like this. This hand is going to go up over here.
Okay.
And let me have you move back on the table a little bit more. Perfect, right there. So I got you in position. And let me have you take a little breath in. And exhale all the way out. Exhale, just let it go, let it go. Okay,
Whoa, yeah.
we've got some movement there, nice and easy. Let
Definitely.
me get your knee back in the center. Okay, let me have this arm back here this way. Breath in. Exhale all the way out. Whoa,
Oh, yeah.
that was good.
That was really good.
Let me have you have your arms. Now we did that really big adjustment when I did with your feet. So that took care of most of your back. But
Yeah.
there's one more spot a
Mhm.
little bit lower. So you're gonna take a big hug.
Oh, yeah.
Big hug. Okay. I'm gonna reach back here like here. I'm gonna find the area that I want to adjust right here. I'm gonna have you curl up for me. Let me have your head. Make a curl. Breath in. Exhale and come back down. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Feel
So
very loose and nice and very relieved.
All right. And now we're going to do a little adjustment on the neck. You're gonna take a little breath in and exhale. And exhale all the way out. Okay. Now that was pretty massive. We didn't. I don't know if anybody could hear anything, but
I could hear it.
we had a good adjustment there. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Breath in. Exhale, and just kind of and lift up your chin a little bit this way. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we got a few.
Yeah.
All right. There's how the adjustments work. They're very safe, and we treat everyone individually. So depending on your case will depend on what type of adjustments you'll get. So Alyssa, you had your treatment.
Mhm.
You came in with some
Hip
clicking.
clicking and an inflamed IT band.
Oh wow. Okay, and you're feeling, how you feeling now?
I'm feeling like I walk smoothly. I feel very loose and like very relieved of
Wow.
all the bad stuff that was in my body.
Okay.
So I feel very good.
Now, and what are you going to do? You spend a lot of time on your phone. What are you going to do to balance out all this stress?
I'm gonna do this.
That's right. We call it Bubbleology. So this is Bubbleology.
Do this every 15 minutes.
There
for
you go.
1 minute.
Yes, for 1 minute. So you need to do it. Now that's a gentle Bubbleology. Then you're going to go past the
And
side.
then we're gonna go
There you go. Very good. All right. Good luck, and we'll see you again soon.